Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to add a bot to a Telegram group so everyone in the group can use that bot. And to add this bot you have just to go to Telegram, go to the bot that you want to add in the Telegram group, open it, click on the bot profile picture on the top right of the screen, and after that go and copy the bot username, long press on it and click copy username, and after that go to the video group, to the group, like for example for me is video group, I called it video group, open it, and after that go and click on the group picture on the top right of the screen and go and click on add members and go and paste that like username in the search bar, paste, and as you can see the bot appeared. You have just to select it and click on done, and the bot automatically entered to your group and it has access to your group and you can use it normally by everyone in the group, as you can see. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.